3 starts us off with these cubes. It gives us the dimension of the first cube, which is 2 feet. And it tells us that the second cube is 50% larger than the first cube. So, if this is 2 feet, 50% of 2 feet would be 1 feet, which tells us that the dimension of the second one is 3 feet. Then it asks us about the surface area of these two shapes and asks us to compare them. The surface area is found by finding the area of one of the faces, which is 2 feet times 2 feet, which is 4 feet squared, and then multiplying that by 6 because it has 6 faces. So the surface area of the smaller cube is 24 feet squared. The surface area of the larger cube is found by multiplying 3 feet times 3 feet, which is 9 feet squared. And for the same reason I multiplied that one by 6, I multiplied this one by 6 to get 54 feet squared. If this one started off as being 100%, I'm trying to find out how much this one is compared to this one. So here's how we do that. We take the 54 feet squared and we put it over 24 feet squared, which then reduces to the fraction 9 over 4, dividing both of these by 6. This then gets us 4 goes into 9, 2, which is 8, subtract to get 1. 4 goes into 10 twice, which is 8. Subtract to get 2, bring down 1 more 0 to get 5. Move the decimal 2 spaces. This guy here is 225%, and this one is 100%. So it asks, how much bigger is this one than this one? So I then take the 225 and I subtract the 100. 225 subtract 100 is 125% bigger. It is 125% bigger. And that's number 3. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 starts us off with the circumference equals 2 times pi times radius. And it's asking us to solve for the radius. So circumference equals pi times 2 times pi times r. And they want us to get r by itself. So if I'm trying to get r by itself, then the pi has to go and the 2 has to go. So I divide this side by 2. I divide this side by 2. I divide this side by pi. I divide this side by pi. 2 cancels 2, pi cancels pi, they're gone. And r is equal to the circumference over 2 times pi. And I just transformed that equation so that r is now by itself. Looking then at number 5. 2 red marbles and 1 blue marble are in a bag. 1 marble is selected and then placed back in the bag. Then a marble is selected again. Find the sample space.